What's up guys, welcome to my channel again, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to make this latest pocket design for any kind of dress you want to make, either you are making for adults or you're making for children. And this is the latest pocket. As you can see, I'm going to recreate this one I've already made. If you're just seeing our channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. These are the things we are going to use for the pocket design. So this is my color gum. This is the color gum I'm using. Then this is a flower material you are seeing at the middle of the pocket. So what are the measurements I made this my color gum? So I made this pocket. This is what I'm using for the pocket. This one is 4.2 for the width, and the wide the length is 4.5. So I made this one length. This one 6 inches, while the width is 2.5. So this is my what I did, the white material you are seeing at the middle. That's what I just showed you. The second one, the flower material, is the one you are seeing at the background. So what are the things you are going to do now? You have to fold your collar gum, your pocket, the one you want to use for your pocket into two. They measure 0.5 at this 0.7 at this point. So at the second side, take your 0.7 at that point. So you are going to join the points together in order for you to create a curve on that side. So after you're doing that, the next thing is just to get our measurement for the middle design. How do we get our curve? How do we get our shape at the middle point? So what I got here is a 0.6. So you're going to mark a 0.6 at this point. Then come down a little bit, then mark a 0.6. Then you're going to join the line together. So the next measurement we are taking is our length measurement. That is a 3.5. Then go front a little bit, then mark the same 3.5. Then join the line together. Make sure it's straight. So after doing that, the next thing is to come down at that 3.5. You come down by 0.7. Then make sure so you create a sharp arrow there. Then join it with the first 0. Join it with the 3.5 remark. Then we cut this middle this part out. So you're going to keep that one at this one side. So after doing that, the next thing is to cut it at the middle. Then we give it a shape at the side and cut at this side. I hope you are seeing the way I'm just doing it. Just follow through and do not make any mistake. After doing that, there is an iron to fold it. After you fold it, then you apply your hemming gum at the under. Make sure you take your time and fold this side so that by the time you turn it for the front side, so that the design will not look rough or just take your time to fold it and apply your hemming gum on that, so that by the time you finish gumming it, it will give you your good results. So I just do a perfect job at this point. To make sure you trim the excess we have there. Then what I will do here is to iron it very well so that it can give us a perfect look. So after doing that, the next thing is to gum our the this one I just made. This our the second color gum. The length 6 inches. The width is 2.5. We gum it on the flower material. So after doing that, the next thing is to get the midpoint. So we are going to iron it this way. Just take your time to do everything so that in order for it to give you a good result. So you can actually use what you like at this point. You can actually use either paper stay or paper gum, anything you like. And for this one, it's not compulsory for you to use a color gum. So this is our material. This is our white material. I made the weight to inches. So you're going to fold it. After you fold it, then go to our machine to sew it. Then we come back. So in this part, I've already sewn it. Then so as you can see, I'm thinking the essence is too big. I'm going to open it. After you finish opening it, then return it. Then we iron it again. So after we finish ironing it, then the next thing is to go to our machine to process the next step. So as you can see, this one you cut out at the middle of the pockets. You just keep it. Then being the flower material we are using for the background design, the one we cut out from the pocket to mark the flower material. So how do we get that? We are going to mark the up and the bottom of the where the cutting of that the one we cut out from the pocket stop. So we are going to apply this our rope. So we fold it this way. I hope you can see the way I'm just folding it. Just follow the way I'm just doing it so that in order for it to give you the results you're seeing on my picture. I hope you can see what I'm just doing. Let me zoom in so that you can see it very well. I hope you can see. Sew it at that middle. Do not allow it to the sewing to show outside. I hope you're familiar with this kind of sewing with this zigzag. If you have done a zigzag design before, you'll be able to apply something like this. So I'm just doing another way. So in order for you to get everything perfect, just make sure you take your time. Take your time to stitch it. Then I hope you can see I stitched the first one at the first for our first marking, while the second one for second marking. That is, I start from the up and the bottom. I hope you can see it's very simple and clear. It's not something that is complicated. So we stitch the other side also. I hope you can see. After you finish all this thing, you see that the sewing is not show. Where we sew it is not show. And if you are stitching this stuff and you notice that the this zigzag does not fall at the middle, you can easily use it and adjust it yourself. So that's it. So the next thing here is to take the two the zigzag we have at this middle is four zigzag. So we are going to apply the remaining to the same way we sewed it first two. So as you can see, I'm going to set this side just to make all of them fall at the same place, so that if you wanted to turn it, you are able to turn it. I hope you can see. I'm just trying to set it to just to make it to fall at the middle part. If you are seeing our channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe and give us thumbs up, so YouTube can refer more people to this video. And if you have any question about this pocket I made, you can easily comment, and I'll make sure I check the comment and reply you according to what you complain about. I actually use iron to fold it. So at this point, I'm just doing it manually. For those people that love to do it this way, this is how I love to do mine. So I don't know how you used to do your own. So this is how I love to do my own. So you can easily follow this step or you follow your step. So all the thing we need here is just to give us our results. Just take your time to set it at the middle. So after doing this part, this is the hardest part. So after doing this part, then we go ahead to stitch the side. I hope you can see. This is what I'm just trying to show you. Adobe will not start the sewing from the first, the up and the bottom. I will be able us to get this perfect result. I hope you can see. I don't lose any parts here. I just make it easy for you guys. So after finishing that, and the next thing here is to then apply our pocket, then make it sharp and make it fall at the starting point, and take your time to set it very well, then sew it. Just take your time to sew this part. Do not rush it. So in order for us to give us our good results with the one we are expecting. The one we are expecting. So you can actually share this video to your friends, the one that know that need this kind of a tutorial or video. I've already sewed this part. Then we go back to our table to iron it very well. Make sure you give it good iron. If this front, if this upside is not straight, make sure you fold it to the extent that give us your give you your good look before you gum it. So I'm going with this side now. So make sure you do your own very well then before you can apply your gum. So in this part now, I'm throwing the excess. So after I trim the excess, so I'm going to cut the material I'm going to use to turn it round. I hope you know how to cut this the bias layer, the material we are going to use to turn it round. You're going to make it a bias layer. I'm very sorry guys, I did not show you guys how I cut the side taping. But if you watch the video, my previous video, how I sew pocket, you see the way I explain how to cut material to turn it. That is a bias layer material. If you cut the material straight, the material will not, the pocket will not fall the way you like, and then the folding will not go well. So I hope you can see here. I will cut the, the material I wanted to use to turn it. I just cut the material excess, I did not measure it. So just follow the way I'm just doing it. So at the end of the day, we get our good result. So when you reach this part, make sure you take your time to sew this part, not rush. So if you rush to sew this part, you don't give a good result. And I don't know if you guys, if you wanted to sew something like the design pockets or front of a front of a senator or any kind of a set, you can see the material is stretching. That's what I'm just doing there. So the next thing is to launch this side, then launch the other side. Then we are going to turn it. Or you can see the way I'm just doing. It's very simple. It's not something that is that hard. If you relax and follow what I'm doing here, I hope you can see the way I'm just taking my time to fold that point so that you know also give us a good looking. Or I'll make sure I take my time to fold it. So after doing that, and then make sure you sew it at the middle part. Do not allow the sewing to show outside, so that after you finish everything, you see that the pockets give us a good looking. As you can see, what you are seeing here is what I just show you for the first time in my video. So I hope you can see. So if you like what we do, what I do, so what if you like what we do on this channel, so if you like what we do on this channel, make sure you subscribe and give a thumbs up so that you can refer this video to much people as they can. Designer, if you have any design you want me to go about, make sure you send the picture to my DM, or you send it to my comment section. So if I see it, I'm going to make the tutorial for you guys. So this is our result after we finish it. So thank you guys, see you in my next video.